Dear student, how are you? I think you are well. Yes, I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear student, firstly, I want to welcome to this সারভাইভ টিকে থাকা, সারভাইভ টিকে থাকা, exist, the synonym of this word, demolish, that means the opposite meaning. Okay, next one, compassion. Compassion, করুণা, it is also daya also. You can tell this word daya and pity, the synonym word. And here is the word, next one, hatred, hatred, hatred. Okay, now I can also another word from the text. Another text, draft, draft. Do you know the meaning of this word, dear student? Of course you know, but I will help you to understand the meanings. Adorn and the meaning sajano, sajano, and opposite word is stiff, stiff. Okay, dear student, these are the words. First of all, you will understand the meaning of this word, and next time I want to discuss with you and ask and answering question. You will face the some 5 question number 2 in your final examination, that means in your SSC examination. Okay, let's go. Ask and answer question. Answer. First of all, dear student, first of all, here is the question 5. Why was Mother Teresa moved? Why was Mother Teresa moved? Okay, have you written? Yes, dear student, why was Mother Teresa moved? First of all, you have to know the meaning in Bangla, and you will solve the question from your text with the helping of the text. Okay, and of course, when you give the answer of the question, you will follow the tense of the question. So this is the question, it is in form of past tense. Okay, so you will answer the question in past form. Okay, so Mother Teresa moved because, okay, dear student, Mother Teresa moved and because she experienced the presence of the destitute people of Kolkata. Understand? It is the answer from the according to your text. It is the answer according to your textbook and text. Okay, so question number 2. Question number B. Why was she found Nirmal Hriday? Nirmal হৃদয়. Yes, dear student, here is another question. Why was she found নির্মল হৃদয়? তিনি, that means Mother Teresa found নির্মল হৃদয়. কেন মাদার তেরেসা নির্মল হৃদয় নির্মাণ করেছিলেন? Okay, dear student, it is easy question for you. Mother Teresa is an important person, one of the most important person of the world. Okay, she follow the destitute people and coming here and to cooperate their problem. Understand? So to cooperate this problem, Mother Teresa was found Nirmal Hriday. Okay, so next one. Question number C. What prize did she receive in 1927? This is the another question, dear student. Follow the sentence and understand the meaning of this question. What prize did she receive in 1927? তিনি 1927 সালে কি পুরস্কার গ্রহণ করেছিলেন? Of course, again you will try to understand from the text to answer this question, and you will get the question according I am telling you. That means she received in 1927 Nehru prize, and because he helped the destitute dying people, so at that time the government decided to give the prize. So Mother Teresa received Nehru prize in 1927. Okay, yes, student. The next question number D. Question number D. How did Nirmal Hriday provide? How did Nirmal Hriday provide help to the dying, destitute. Okay, dear student, so নির্মল হৃদয় কিভাবে এই সমস্ত মুমূর্ষ এবং দুস্থ লোকদের কি করেছিল, সাহায্য করেছিল? ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট, অফকোর্স ইউ নো, নির্মল হৃদয় নির্মল হওয়ার কারণে মাদার তেরেসা কি করতে পেরেছিলেন? সে সমস্ত কলকাতার পথ শিশুদের, দুস্থ ছেলেদের যারা মুমূর্ষ ছিল তাদেরকে নিয়ে এসে কোঅপারেট করেছিলেন। সো হিয়ার ইজ দ্য কোয়েশ্চেন, মাদার তেরেসা, নির্মল হৃদয় help the destitute people, okay, to by providing them and to help them and support them also, and they caste and creed and religion according to, okay. So তিনি দল মত নির্বিশেষে সকলদের তিনি সেখানে নিয়ে এসেছিলেন এবং সাহায্য দিয়ে তিনি তাদেরকে সাহায্য করেছিলেন। ওকে ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট, and last one final question. Here you also write down with me the question, what has she taught us? Okay, this is the last and final question and most important question for us. This, okay, dear student, Mother Teresa taught us many things, a lot of things. She was a great person in the world. So we have taught many things from here, from the activity in her life. Okay, so this today we have taught to help the dying destitute people. We have taught to help another to poor people and cooperate the destitute people, okay, and needy people also. When we saw the needy people, then we also help them according to the Mother Teresa, okay. These the words you will write from the for the question, okay. So I have taught already 5 questions and some unknown words here. This class will be very helpful to understand the solve the question for your last SSC examination. Okay, dear student, you will practice your home again and again. This lesson will be very easy. Okay, so আজকে এই পর্যন্ত তোমরা ভালো থাকো। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ। থ্যাংক ইউ অল।